There's no room left on this car for any more stickers. Why are you adding stickers to it?
There's loads of room, mate. I wonder if Y-Food do any.
We're not getting paid today from Y-Foods, so be quiet.
Do you know what's funny?
What?
We asked them to map that out, and it's just as loud.
Ridiculous.
So for those who have been following the channel for a while, you'll know that we picked a Clio Rs200 up quite a while ago, a track car, and we've not been able to do anything with it really because the tracks have been shut, COVID, everything's been a nightmare. So we're now on our way to Demon Tweaks because it needs bucket seats. It's still got the Bogo seats in it, so we're going to go and pick up some subframes, bucket seats and harnesses.
Yep, and we're going to do it on a budget, so I reckon we try and do it. We need to kit the car out for less than £1,000. We're back from Tweaks. This is the Evil GT first. No one's ever seen your back garden. Look at it.
There's
Nice,
nothing to see really,
How
mate.
long have you lived here?
It's 3 years, for over 3 years.
Have you ever used this area
Never.
for entertaining guests?
No, we haven't got any friends.
So there's the Clio. Nobody's seen it, including me, for about, what? Have you seen it? Nobody's seen it.
I went out and saw it when I spoke to Tweaks on the phone, and they were asking me what kind of roll cage it's got in it, and I was like, he went, has it got a horizontal bar across the back for the harnesses? I was like, I don't know, mate. And he went, your car, yeah. I was like, yeah, it's in my back garden.
We've got the receipt there.
How much is it?
Did we break £1,000? Did we stay in the budget? Don't tell anyone yet. Let's go through and see what we've bought.
Okay.
Yeah? So
Yeah.
we've got some OMP.
They're only cheapies, but they're sound them, aren't they?
So the reason we went for these are the XLs, right?
Yeah, because we're fat.
There is that.
Yeah.
I'm not denying that, but we also went because the smaller ones, the normal size, they stop about.
Oh yeah, the thing where your legs are. So at least,
static then,
yeah. So yeah, it's stopped like really far back, but at least these support your legs a bit better.
You're swearing for no reason. In context, you're having a. Say that again.
There we go. Right, cut that out.
Right. So the reason we went for these, the wider ones, the bigger ones, the XLs, is because the standard size, they stop there and they dig into the back of your leg. So it was £30 extra though.
Yeah, for a bit more leg bit.
But the nice gentleman at Demon Tweaks gave us a discount.
He did us a bit of din down, didn't he?
So he knocked us, I think he knocked us about 50 quid off, did he, altogether?
Yeah, I think,
Which is,
no, more than that, 'cause it should have been, should I say how much it should have been now?
We'll say at the end.
Right, well no, it was
Right.
more than that, it's not more than that off.
So we've got the seats there, we have the harnesses.
Yeah,
Have a
these.
look at them. Oh, we got that as well. Might as well just say that. That was just short of a tenner because you need a towing eye. Otherwise, when you crash, there's no way to tow you off, is there?
Do you know what you're looking at with these, yeah?
Well, open them up and let's have a look. I'm not an expert on harnesses, but what I did see was a little flimsy cap. You know, like, get into it then. Have you never opened
Oh, I didn't know when.
presents?
No, I've not actually. Who even wants to see this? Right, come
They're
on.
like harnesses. They
Okay.
look,
Love harnesses, mate.
I like to see the connector. There you go. So we've got that connector.
Oh, so that's alright, isn't it? What more do you want?
It looks a bit flimsy to me.
Right, where's the
Oh.
other end? No, that's not the other. Where is the other end? Where's the bit that plugs into it?
Oh, well, you bought it. Did you not ask?
No? Oh, there we are. So is there only one
It must be.
that plugs into that? Oh, okay, so that goes across, that must obviously go across there. What's up with that?
You happy with that, yeah?
Yeah, that's
It's only
alright,
cheap harnesses for a cheap car.
Yeah.
That is a cheap.
A
That's-
tweet.
Cheap harnesses for a cheap track car, which that is a cheap track car.
Yeah, so I'm assuming then they go. Is it something like this?
You look like one of them stewardess on the aircrafts.
Oh, really?
And I mean stewardess,
Oh.
not steward.
Cheers, mate.
So you'd be like, this is what you do in the event of a crash.
Is that
You
how it
shit
goes?
yourself like the rest of us.
4 pointers. Is that right?
Yeah. They'll go round. They'll go into the back, into
Yeah.
where the seats come out,
Yeah.
and
I'm gonna have to adjust these. I'm
I
losing
mean-
weight, me, mate.
it's not like full race spec harnesses, but the thing is,
It'll do
it's
the
a
job,
harness.
won't it?
I mean, they're only cheap, right? So
Is it
how
going to
much-
keep me in my seat?
Well, who knows? There's only one way to find out. Can you tell everybody how much they cost? Because I don't actually know.
No, me neither. Hang on.
Right.
Total excluding VAT was 74 quid.
For the harnesses.
Yeah.
So that's like just short of 100 quid, right?
So £50 a harness, is that good? You've bought harnesses before, haven't you?
That was years ago. We'll go with, is that good? It's okay.
They're the subframe things. They're not the slidey bits, are they?
Who knows?
Slides, yeah, it says slides on the thing.
Right.
Yeah. Hang on.
So you bought 2 sliders?
Two, yeah.
Why did you buy 2? I said just get one for the driver's side.
Well, no, because sometimes, like with you, you'll...
Don't bring me into it.
Yeah. We have
you only need a slider for the driver's side.
We've got one for both sides anyway.
Luckily enough, they were very cheap.
Right, so yeah, the slidey bits are on either side.
How much?
So this will be the next thing, yeah.
I don't know.
155.66 plus VAT.
Not for sliders. Well, maybe for 2, but one's not that much, surely.
No, 155.66 for 2, yeah.
Right.
Plus VAT though.
So that's £77.50 each.
Wow, they're made in China.
And what do you expect?
Yeah.
150 quid. So these are designed to go direct into the car.
And they are different, so they're different for the driver's side and the passenger side. I thought they'd be the same, but they're not. They're different.
So, right, so we've got them, that and that and that. And we've got the little towing eye. How much in total?
£825.78p.
Nice one. So we've got 175 left over.
Yeah.
So I don't think it's going to be easy to do it there. Are we going to bring it back?
No, it's wider up there, mate. It would be right.
Oh, is it okay?
Yeah,
It looks like there's some stinging nettles up there though. Let's go and have a look. Well, you get the key. Because it's probably flat battery anyway. So yeah, this is Ben's back. Proper back garden, its extension. That's his house. Back of his house, if anyone's interested to see where he lives. That's everyone's next doors and stuff. Everyone next doors, they've got nicer bits. Ben's is probably the worst. Everyone else looks after theirs. Anyway, he's been here for 3 years. What do you expect? Alright, well what about the copyright thing?
Well, it's not going to be recording all the way through it, is it?
Well, if you can't hear it, I can't hear it, can I?
Exactly.
Can I just ask what this is for?
What?
Oh, you've had the windscreen replaced,
yeah, we had a
right?
new windscreen, yeah.
So, you've left the tape on that long. You're going to need some white
dear.
spirits to get that off.
When we got this car and the bonnet was up and we was trying to get the wipers to start and nothing would work, well, they were like, oh, it's because your bonnet's open, that's why your wipers won't turn on. The wiper motor's broke.
Right, okay. So people were calling us idiots for not knowing that.
Yeah, yeah.
So that's all ready to get stone chipped and cracked again on the track. We need to get rid of these. I think I might have said this last time.
The wind deflectors?
Yeah.
Not feeling them, mate?
You know my thing on wind deflectors. I get upset, don't I? Can we just take them off now?
Yeah, yeah.
Right,
Well, that definitely wasn't hard, that, was it?
There you go.
Were they even stuck on?
Well, the wind probably would have taken them off, if nothing else. So just while Ben's gone to get the screwdrivers and stuff to get the seats out, for anyone that's not seen this car before, here it is. It's a Clio 200. It's an 11 plate, 61 plate, 2011. It's black. It's got some Sparko wheels. And that's it. It's good, isn't it? Okay then, mate.
Yeah.
Come on, chop chop. Swearing again. No need.
Just cut it out.
I can't be bothered. It's too many beeps. I run out of beeps when I'm editing stuff with you in it. Oh, hold on a minute. Let me come round. It's stuck on the wire. It's the electric seats. What's electric on this seat?
I don't know.
Hold on. It's under here. There you go.
Got it?
Well, I haven't. It's that.
You just basically tell me where it is.
Well, it's that, yeah. You're good at unclipping stuff, aren't you? To anybody that didn't know, he used to fix photocopiers and printers. He's told everyone that would listen.
It's the world's most boring job.
Can't be any worse than taking seats out of the car.
There you go.
But I'm still wondering what's electric on that seat.
I don't know. Does it have like a airbag? Like a airbag in the side of it or something?
Yeah, maybe.
Oh yeah, it does. Airbag. There you go. That's what it'll be.
That's what it is. So this is your car with your mates, Pimmy's, who owns Northwest Garage Equipment, lifts and stuff like that for garages. So I'm talking for you now. I think I'm right in saying if anyone wants these 2 front seats, they can have them for free.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Yeah.
No, we need to earn some money. But
Evil
mate,
GT charity.
Pimmy's even tighter than you are, right? If he found out that he was offering his shit
I've
for
just
free,
offered to give your seats away. How can I be tight?
that's because they don't belong to you. I know for a fact that if they did, you wouldn't be offering them away for free.
I'm dead charitable, mate. I give loads to charity. I mean, look at you.
Yeah, so bottom of the cage bracket thing and the bolt goes through the bracket for the seatbelt as well.
So the cage, in theory, is holding the seatbelt retentioner thing in.
Yeah.
You call them retentioners?
I've no idea, to be honest with you. I feel like it's going to go ping. Yeah, it was, wasn't it? Mm. It looks like it's the bottom bit that comes out, but I don't know how. I don't actually know how to...
So if anyone wants a seatbelt thing from Clio, yeah, giving it away.
Yeah,
freebie.
Definitely have that. I don't know how to get that off though.
Unfortunately, we missed that on camera, but the way to get it out is just to snap it. Always works.
Brute force.
So that's got the right hand side on it, so I presume that's the right hand side. So
But
this
then-
goes into the floor.
But then they are French, who
Well,
drive on the left hand
So
side.
this could actually be for the passenger side, yeah.
I'm assuming it goes like that down, yeah?
Who knows? Like you say, it's French, isn't it? So that's the floor mount.
Yeah.
Then you got the mounts for the seat, didn't
Slider.
you? No, the mounts for the seat.
What are you on about?
You know, you put the mounts in, so the mounts go there, so the slider goes there, that's right.
Yeah.
Then the mounts go on top of the
Well,
slider.
No, they don't. The seat just bolts that, doesn't it?
How do you get the seat in? So we upgraded the seats to the wider ones. The normal size ones have base mounting holes, where this is a base mount. So now we've gone for the bigger one, it's only side mount. So this no longer works because it's not wide enough. We haven't got any mounts. So we either have to change the seats or mess about with universals. But because we've got the sliders, they won't go into the floor. We'd have to drill the floor.
Yeah, because the holes aren't in the right position, so we'd have to start drilling the floor.
So you'd have to start welding.
And bolts and
We'd have to weld some bars in so we can fit
Can you imagine
that.
us trying to weld?
Yeah. So what we've done is we've decided to go for the original seats that we.
Defo.
So we've got to take them back. See you on the next day.
Brilliant.
So you've had your breakfast. Let's go and get these seats changed.
Go on then.
Happy there. Happy with them.
See you, Ben.
Go on, moment of truth. Your job.
Oh, am I putting it in?
I put the seat together.
I mean, that's a stretch, but okay.
Go on, Benji, lad. You can do it.
Easy this, mate. This is the home straight now. Take it by that laugh. That's okay. Is it looking good?
It's only perfect, but it'll have to do.
Right, do it then.
Be a bit awkward, but you can get to it.
Yeah. Pimmy, you install lifts. You're not qualified to do cars. Come on, come out. I know it's your car, but leave it to the professionals.
Well, it's dying to get in front of the camera here, isn't it? Can you see
Yeah,
this?
love it. You need your own YouTube channel installing lifts. Northwest Garage Equipment. Anyone heard of you?
No.
They all know you. Community leader, you know. Not tightened up yet, is it? Because we're looking for another ratchet. Because it's. So, how does it feel? You look a bit low. You look
I'm
like
quite
you're
low.
about 12 years old.
I want to be a real boy.
So,
Yeah.
do you need the booster seat that Demon Tweaks
I think
spoke
so,
about?
because this feels really high up. It feels like it should be down
will
here.
the wheel not come down?
No, that's as far down as it goes.
Oh dear.
Yeah, where's the thing gone?
Can you see over the bonnet?
No, I can't.
You can't see it. You can barely see me, can you?
Could do a Doris.
Yeah?
Could do a little Doris there. You know when little Doris gives it the old
Yeah. Let's go booster seat.
story of my life, that. And that's in context.
It's not. Come on. Right, I'm having a go. Hold that. Straight away I have to put the seat back as usual. That's low even for me. But when I say low in a good way.
Because that's the
I think you'll be alright with that. I think you'll be good.
Happy with that, mate?
You got a torque setting on it? Because
On this, no.
no.
We don't deal with talk sounds here.
No, I know, yeah, but the seats aren't they
Are you
like?
driving it?
Yeah.
I don't care then. Seen it all now.
What?
You're putting coverings on
Have
the
you
seats.
seen him? He's oily, scruffy.
It's a track car.
I don't care.
It's meant to get all full of crap.
Brand new, these seats.
I mean, I've never seen bubble wrap used for a seat cover.
It's the only seat cover I've got.
I mean, they're not comfortable enough.
Right, Pim.
Right, get in that. Have a look.
It'll be as low as me.
Feel solid.
Might need a cushion, like. Oh, Ben, I don't like it.
Too low?
Yeah.
It is low.
You need a seat.
But they said you can get a booster seat.
Yeah.
It's just embarrassing, that, isn't it, Ben?
I'll bring it over to you, it's fine. We'll both need one, because I'm as low as you.
I don't know, I've got that extra inch, haven't I?
Day 3, so we've just got to put the passenger seat in and the harnesses, job done. So we've not fitted this side in yet, have we?
No, we're just seeing
That goes.
we're just seeing if the back fits because it's very tight and the side bit was going right down there, so it's looking good.
Loads of room here, mate. There we go.
What we'll do in the back, you can tighten them up from the back.
From the back.
So we don't have all that overhang because it looks a bit daft, that really.
Yeah.
This isn't. Right.
Snug that.
Is that right, that?
Have you put it over your shoulder?
No, I don't need them bits.
Do you know what you're doing, you? Come on.
Right, hold on. It's all twisted up.
That's not a big job, that. Right, let's just pretend. Let's just pretend that's where it should be there.
Yeah, but
what
this
about the
bit's
other side?
pissed.
Get that down there.
This
Come
bit's round the back.
Come on, nice sound that, mate.
No, that won't go any further. Too tight.
That's all the way. That's as much
Yeah,
as
but
you're
that's
getting.
supposed to be in the middle. I have to go right back.
Right.
I can't go back any further than that.
Are you too far away now?
Well, I'm not driving this. I'm telling you right now.
So yeah.
I'm getting a proper track car,
That's
mate.
sound, that, mate.
Look
That
at
was all
this.
that.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
just pull
stupid.
it. Oh, okay. I see what you mean now.
That bit's in the middle. That's gonna. If I have a crash, it'll rip my neck off. You're in the middle there,
Yeah.
so that's not too bad. But the problem with you is you can't reach the pedals.
I want to be a real boy.
Get it where you can actually. You're gonna have no nuts left.
Yeah, so it's well on the piss now. Look, that
Yeah.
comes down my centre. So that is going to have to go in there, innit?
Yeah. We'll have to do that. Minor alteration, yeah. So
Yeah.
that's definitely the end of the video now.
Yeah, please, yeah. I
See
don't
you
want to do.
later.
I don't want to talk about harnesses or seats anymore.
Subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to see us.
I don't know
finish
why you would bother, because we just everything up.
this. The car's great. We've done it good. As you can see, the seats are perfect. They're not going to move. OMP's cheap. £850. It was all good. It took 3 days.
725 in the end.
725. We smashed it. We've got 275 left over.
Yeah.
Which we can spend on paying someone who actually knows how to put harnesses in to do the harnesses. So apart from that, yeah, thanks for watching. See you on the next video.
Like and subscribe.
Bye.
Ta-ra.
Just one last thing before we go, right? I've just realised that wing's blue.
Yeah, it was blue once upon a time, mate.
Oh, I thought it was a black car.
No. Well, it says it's black on the V5, so it was changed properly.
Sorted.
Like and subscribe, please.